Welcome to another episode of Here's What You Could Have Won, showing that if we insisted that the super rich paid a little more of their fair share, a wealth tax if you will, then here is what we could all have won from that minimal amount. This episode is all about the NHS. Now humour me please, if you know the works of Richard J. Murphy, you know that we don't actually need to raise these amounts through taxation, but these episodes take the assumption that we still treat the nation's finances like a household budget, the grand neoliberal lie. So these episodes still take the assumption and set out the tax and spending proposal should a modest wealth tax be introduced. We've all heard the narrative, the NHS is broken, understaffed and collapsing under its own weight. We're told we simply can't afford a world-class health service. But that's a lie. The money is there. It's just sitting in the bank accounts of a tiny super rich elite. A conservative estimate of a modest wealth tax could raise $24 billion a year. So let's look at what we could actually buy for our NHS with that money. The revenue from prescription fees in England is about £600 million a year. That's it. It's a drop in the ocean in the grand scheme of things, yet it's a direct tax on the sick that forces people I know, like for instance my brother, who had to recently choose between medication and food. With our 24 billion, we could abolish prescription charges forever, instantly. A small but very massive win for millions of people. Now that we've taken care of that, let's address the crisis at the heart of our NHS, our staff. According to research, it costs roughly £67,000 to train a nurse and a staggering £327,000 to train a doctor. But what's left of our fund, we could fully fund the training of 30,000 new nurses, that would be 2 billion, and 10,000 new doctors, 3.27 billion. That's a total of 5.27 billion, and we'd be solving our staffing crisis for a generation. Our NHS workers have been deliberately underpaid for over a decade. Let's give every single member of the NHS workforce, from porters to surgeons, a substantial 10% pay rise to truly reward them. The total cost of that would be approximately 7 billion a year. With our wealth tax fund, this is easily affordable. The cost to fix our crumbling hospitals is estimated to be over 10 billion, but let's go further. Let's build the NHS we deserve. A new modern hospital can cost between 300 million and 2 billion. With the money we have left, we could fully fund the construction of 10 state-of-the-art hospitals, each costing 1 billion, across the country. That's a total of 10 billion. You see, the narrative that we can't afford it is a lie. We can make prescriptions free, fully fund the training of thousands of new doctors and nurses, give our entire NHS workforce a decent pay rise, build 10 brand new hospitals and still have money left over, all from a single modest wealth tax on the richest people in the country. This isn't an economic necessity, it's a political choice. They choose to let the NHS crumble because of the alternative, asking the super rich to contribute, is considered unthinkable by the neoliberal elite. So the next time someone tells you the NHS is broken, you can tell them that we're being denied. This is the NHS we could have won, it's time we demanded it. If you're with me, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and join the fight to challenge the status quo. If you want to support my vital work, then you can buy me a coffee, the link is in the description.